16th August 2021, southwest monsoon has been active over Telangana and rainfall is recorded at most places over Telangana. Heavy rainfall occurred at few places in Karimnagar district and at an isolated places in Bhadradri, Kottagudem, Jangaon, Manchiryal, Mulgu, Mahbubnagar, Rajanna Sircilla and Siddipet districts of Telangana. Nanganur received 10 centimeters, the highest rainfall, and Burgampadu 9 centimeters, Timmapur 9 centimeters, Chigurumamidi received 7 centimeters, Kodagandla 7 centimeters, rest of the places 6 to 7 have received 7 centimeters each. Isolated rainfall occurred at the districts of Karimnagar, Bhadradri, Kottagudem, Janagaon, Manchiryal, Mulgu, Mahbubnagar, Rajanna, Sircilla, where heavy rainfall has recorded and light to moderate rains occurred at many places and few places. Maximum temperature recorded over Hyderabad is 32.6 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 21.8 degrees Celsius. Highest maximum temperature received is 34.3 degrees Celsius over Adilabad and lowest minimum temperature is 18.5 degrees Celsius in Bhadradri, Kottagudem. The rainfall statistics on the cumulative period starting from 1st June 2021 to 16th August 2021, 24% departure from normal is observed. Actual rainfall recorded is 605.4 millimeters against the normal of 489.7 millimeters rainfall. The forecast and warnings during next 4 to 5 days shows that there very likely of light to moderate rains in most places over Telangana state. Circulation lay over West Central Bay and Northwest Bay and the adjoining areas of North Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha coast, tilting southwestwards with height. The upper air cyclonic circulation extends up to 7.6 kilometers above mean sea level. Under its influence, there is a likely of light to moderate rains in most places over Telangana. Heavy rainfall is very likely to occur in isolated places over Jagatyal, Jayashankar Bhupalpalli, Rajanna Sircilla, Karimnagar, Peddapalli, Mulgu, Bhadradri, Kottagudem, Warangal rural. Heavy rain likely to occur in 1 or 2 places over Adilabad, Kumrambi Masifabad, Manchiryal, Nirmal, Nijamabad, Khammam, Nalgonda, Suryapet, Mahbubabad, Warangal urban, Janagaon, Siddipet, Yadadri, Bhuvangiri and Medchal Malkajgiri, Medak, Kamareddy districts of Telangana. Tomorrow onwards 17th and 18th also heavy to very heavy rain likely to occur at isolated places in Adilabad, Nirmal, Nijamabad, Jagatyal, Rajanna Sircilla, Karimnagar and heavy rain likely to occur in Kumrambi, Masifabad, Manchiryal, Peddapalli, Jayashankar, Bhupalpalli, Mulgu, Mahbubabad, Warangal rural, urban, Janagaon, Siddipet, Hyderabad, Medchal, Malkajgiri, Medak, Kamareddy districts of Telangana. 18th onwards, there is a likely of heavy rain likely to occur in northern districts of Adilabad, Kumrambi, Masifabad, Nirmal, Nijamabad, Jagatyal, Rajanna Sircilla, Karimnagar districts of Telangana. Thereafter, there is slight decrease in rainfall with heavy rain likely to occur in northern districts and thereafter there is a light to moderate rain likely to occur in few places over Telangana. Hyderabad city as a whole during next 24 to 48 hours is likely to receive light to moderate rains in many parts of Hyderabad city. And during next 48 hours there is slight increase in rainfall over Hyderabad city and there is a chance of moderate to heavy rains at 1 or 2 places over Hyderabad city and its adjoining districts of Medchal Malkajgiri, Yadadri Bhuvangiri and Medak districts of Telangana. Wind speed is likely to be 10 to 12 kilometers per hour and direction of the wind is very likely to be northwesterly to westerly direction, and humidity is ranging between 80 to 90%.